This is for people like me that can't play golf. That's a bit of a saving. I think I'll have that, the Longhorn, because it's the biggest. Afternoon, people. We're going to go and do Top Golf. I have done it before. I think it was last year. They do an offer at the minute, Monday through to Thursday, which is half off. It's costing us $29 per hour. I'm just going to do an hour and a half from where we're staying. It's about 35 minutes, something like that. Right, let's do it. Bloody hell, it's boiling. Yep. I remember the last time we were here, I ended up getting a text message to say what our bay number was, but I haven't had one at the minute. Yeah, so it only took half an hour to get here. It's not far off Universal Boulevard, so it's just behind the convention centre. We're not planning on eating any food here. We're going to go for tea after this, but let's go and check in. Just as I'm walking in, I'm just getting the text messages through now, so they will do it. I'll get a text message to say when the bay's ready, and then you just walk up to your bay. Distance wise, that there is going to be Terra Luna, I think. So yeah, just the back of the convention centre. So they do have a full service bar, and you can sit down to eat, and obviously the shop. $90. Oh, I want something like that for the cruise. $22. That's more my price range. $2.20. Which one did you take out? Yeah, so they're the easier ones.
Yeah, this is the one that I used last time, I'm pretty sure. It's a bit short though.
Size of it. This is for people like me that can't play golf. Right, so put your details in, and then what we're doing. What do you want to play?
We did that one last time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Hit it?
Yeah.
Well done.
I'm going to try and hit it well far back here. All the way to that white one. Yeah, that white one all the way back there.
Oh, it's gone to the full end. It's right in the far corner. I think you hit the fence.
I did. What it went into?
Is it?
Yeah. Really nice.
Smashed it there, Josh. It's in the red one. Oh, he's catching me up, man. All right. Thinks he's Happy Gilmore.
Should we do that?
If you want. That's for a golfer.
We're pro golfers.
Oh right, yeah. I haven't checked how many bays they have, but there's 2 floors. So whilst we did book before we came, I don't think you'd need to, if I'm being totally honest. They've got loads of room. Right, time to decide for tea. Quick visit to the premium outlets for the Disney Character Warehouse. I'm going to try and get a teddy for Elsa. I did say I'd pick her one up. So golf was $60 plus tip. I only had 1 pint, and then we all had Diet Coke and whatnot, so we haven't eaten in there. Gonna go and get some Longhorns back near the villa. Just nip in here and get this quickly. I say quickly, it's Amanda going in a shop. Could be some time. Original price 90, $45 in here. $39.99 down to $14.99. Get a decent saving in here if they've got your sizes anyway. I'm not going to have a massive selection. I've seen that in there before. What price is that? $34.99. Doesn't say what it was. No. I'm not seeing what we came in for. Wow, that's a bit of a saving. 75 from 160. I've not seen any teddies. We've not got a Mickey one. Kucha. Oh well, they haven't got what we come in for. I'm sure she won't make it a wasted journey though. It's always worth a visit there though. You can get some decent deals. I've walked out the shop now trying to give her the hint that we're going, but it's not worked. Oh dear. Did you actually come out of that shop without buying anything?
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Has anyone actually used these before? I'm not so sure I'd trust it, if I'm being honest. I mean, the prices are appealing. Longhorns then?
Yeah.
Bloody awful things. I think I'll have that, the Longhorn, because it's the biggest. I can't remember what I had last time. Did they have that fillet, I think? I don't know whether I'm hungry enough to get a chocolate stampede or not either. I like how they split it up as well. 150. Oh, I'm bloated. Look at that. $150 then it was with the tip. Amanda and Josh going with a fillet, and then I've had the Longhorn. I didn't have enough room for a dessert, but I've got some ice cream and donuts at the villa, so that's what we'll do. Longhorns never fails to hit the spot. Can you hear that? Like an invasion. I think they're called cicadas. Something like that. Cicadas. I'll show you a picture of them. Bloody awful things, but I think that's the males making all the noise. Oh, right, a lovely sunset tonight. But yeah, Longhorns, a couple of beers, 2 fillets. I went with a Longhorn, $150 with a tip. Always worth every penny at Longhorns. Right, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.